If you've been thinking about making your first SaaS but you don't code, you're overwhelmed and you start losing confidence in your ideas, I got you. In this video, I'm giving you 5 SaaS ideas that are simple to build, actually solve real problems, you can start building right away and can make you 6 or 7 figures by 2026 if you go all in. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Kosta and I help other people build profitable apps using no-code tools like Bubble.io, and on this channel we only talk about SaaSes and AI automations. In this video, I'm not just dropping random ideas. For each one, I will break down the exact problem it solves, how to build it using no code, how to price it, and why it's the perfect time to go all in. Alright, so let's jump into the first one. First idea is a CRM for TikTok creators. Right now, most creators who get brand deals manage everything through DM. No structure, no follow-ups, no pipeline, just chaos. And if you're a brand or agency, it's even worse. You're messaging 50 creators at once and tracking nothing. Here's the idea: a lightweight CRM but designed for TikTok collabs only. You connect your email or IG or TikTok handle and it gives you a simple pipeline, pending outreach, negotiating, waiting on content, paid, archived. You can add notes, track who ghosted you, filter by campaign, and even automate follow-ups. And how do you build it? Easy. Use Glide or Software as a front end, Airtable is for database, and Make.com to automate emails and reminders. You can literally build this in 7 days without any coding. And how do you make money? You charge $19 a month for small creators and from $50 to $100 a month for big agencies. Add a 7-day free trial, let them feel the relief of not being in the DM hell. And why now? TikTok is #1 platform for brand deals right now, and no CRM solved this problem. This is a gold rush moment. If you start now, you can't lose. Idea number 2, AI-powered podcast clipper. Here's the problem. Every podcaster know that they should upload 3 times a day on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, all of that. But actually creating these clips, it's a nightmare. You have to rewatch episodes, pick the best moments, cut, caption, formatted, edit, hours gone. So here's the idea. You upload your podcast episode, audio or video, and the tool uses AI to find the best moments, automatically cut the clips, edit them for you, and send it over to you. And you might ask, how do you build it? Start with Whisper API for transcription, then use ChatGPT to analyze the transcript, make the best hooks you can possibly have, and find viral hook points. Stuff like questions, bold statements, emotional spikes, all of that. Then edit clips automatically using API like FFmpeg or something like the Descript API. You can build the UI in something simple like Bubble, and monetization, you can set it at $39 a month for creators who use less than X amount of hours a week, and $99 a month for agencies with higher volume. You can also charge per minute of process audio or offer a free trial with watermarks. And why now? Podcasting is exploding, but the tension is shrinking. Clips are the new front door for podcasts. Creators will pay you to skip editing pain and get more growth. And most editors hate this kind of work. So you're solving a pain, not replacing a passion. Third idea is a testimonial collector tool for freelancers and agencies. Here's the deal. Testimonials build trust. They close deals faster than any pitch will ever do. But here's the problem. Most people don't collect testimonials, or if they do, it's a mess. They ask over email, client delays, WhatsApp messages, they forget, and it dies. So here's the SaaS, a clean, simple tool that lets your client record a 30-second video testimonial from his phone. You send a link, they click, record, done. The tool automatically formats it, adds captions, your logo, whatever you want. And how to build it? Use Video Ask or Trello for input video, or just simply make a custom one in Bubble. Store videos on Google Drive and automate editing and formatting with Make. You can build everything, front-end, database, backend in Bubble, and monetization. Charge $15 to $50 a month based on testimonials collected that month. You can also upsell automated editing, transcription, branded templates, etc. Freelancers and agencies are everywhere right now. Competition is brutal. So social proof closed deals, not some hook. Everyone knows they need it, and you're removing friction, and that makes money. If all this feels like a lot, no worries. I build this kind of tools for people like you, fast, simple, and without any coding. If you want help building your SaaS idea, check out the link below. Now let's get back to the video. Idea 4, a client portal for service-based businesses. Here's the problem. If you're a freelancer, consultant, agency, you're managing all by yourself. You're juggling a ton of stuff with every client. Deadlines, invoices, onboarding, etc. Most people use email plus Notion plus Google Drive, total mess. It kills professionalism and costs trust. So here's the SaaS. A clean client portal. When users can log in, see their deliverables, track progress, upload documents, and even chat with each other. Think of like Notion meets Basecamp, but white labeled for your agency. And you can build it in Bubble in less than 2 weeks. Give every new client a pre-built workspace automatically. And how do you make money? You charge per seat or per client. $29 per month for freelancers and $100+ for bigger agencies. And tires are basic portal versus branded versus automations. You can even white label it to the agencies who want to resell it to their clients. And why now? Remote work isn't going anywhere. Clients expect clarity and professional experience. If you help service businesses stop dropping balls, they'll happily pay you every single month to never lose a client again. And the last one that prints you money if you niche it right, local service providers. Barbers, lash techs, tattoo artists, dog walkers, I don't know, they still book their clients through DMs and WhatsApp, which means missed messages, no shows, no follow-ups, zero retention. So here's the idea. Simple micro SaaS that gives them booking page, auto reminders, and automated follow-ups. You pick a niche, let's say barbers. They get a branded booking page, SMS or email reminders, follow-up messages after the appointment, and upsells. Do you need a cut again or refer to a friend? And again, you can build it fully inside Bubble. Front-end, back-end, database, automations, all of that. And monetization is $29 to $100 a month based on features. Setup fee for customization and upsell. Pre-built marketing automations, review collectors, referral campaigns, all of that. And why now? Most local pros suck at retention and don't know how to fix that. Or they don't even have time to. You're selling a peace of mind, not just the software. And what is the best part about this one? If you own the niche and you get from 100 to 200 clients every single month, you've got a quiet 6-figure SaaS. Those were your 5 SaaS ideas. Real problems, real tools, no fluff. If you're serious about this, but you're stuck, I got you. Hit the link below, tell me what are you working on, and let's build it together. If you find this useful, click like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications because you don't want to miss the next video. In the next video, I'm breaking down one of these 5 ideas and I'm giving you step-by-step walkthrough to how to make them into reality. How to validate, build, and launch fast. See you there.